Welcome to the Data Standards Body YouTube channel. I'm Neale Morison. I'm a technical writer with the DSB. The standards maintenance process facilitates the proposal of enhancements, corrections, or changes to the consumer data standards. Maintenance iterations run throughout the year, adjacent to the decision proposal consultations. To contribute to future maintenance iterations, request an invitation via the DSB Calendar. This video discusses the outcomes and actions of Maintenance Iteration 21, MI21. MI21 opened on 11th September 2024. The final meeting was on 13th November 2024. There were 5 fortnightly working group meetings in that period. The consultation for Maintenance Iteration 21, MI21, is captured in Decision Proposal 356, DP 356. Issues leading to changes in CDS Release 1.33.0. A number of issues led to changes in Consumer Data Standards version 1.33.0. The issues are listed here. For details, see the CDS version 1.33.0 release notes. Standards staging issues. These change requests are for minor changes to correct formatting and spelling issues and to support consistent interpretation. 443. Apply consistent styling in the transaction security section. 442. Apply consistent styling to the common field types table. 435. Maintenance Iteration 21, typos and formatting. 431. Fix spelling, grammar and punctuation. 429. Refer to components in Banking API spec. 463. Remove redundant generated additional file. 468. Update DSB logo and links. Standards maintenance issues. The following are breaking changes. 666. Retirement of OIDC hybrid flow. 667. Cleanup of refresh token requirements. 664. New enums for voluntary disclosure of additional service overlays. 657. Addition of LVR in the enumerated values list for constraint type. The following issues resulted in non-breaking changes. 655. Get metrics v5 error metrics documentation. 663. Maintenance Iteration 21 holistic feedback. 661. Obligation milestones for 2026 and 2027. 654. Clarify transaction security requirements. 473. Add RFC 8174 to list of normative references and update the use of requirements levels. 675. PAR/RFC 9126 in normative references appears twice. Other issues. MI21 outcomes included changes to the CX guidelines, which were not part of the CDS version 1.33.0 release. Issue 659. Enhancing CDR adoption, streamlining account selection, and improving data transparency. Changes to the CX guidelines include updating CX guidelines to demonstrate how data holders may, under the existing CX standards, voluntarily implement a select all functionality for account selection and implement additional functionality where a large number of accounts are presented at this step. Offering the select all functionality is not mandatory. The change request remains open for further maintenance iterations. Issue 674, CX Guidelines, updates stemming from 2024 consent review changes. Changes to the CX Guidelines include updating the CX Guidelines where necessary to align with changes resulting from the consent and operational enhancement amendments to the CDR rules. That concludes this summary of the Maintenance Iteration 21 outcomes. For more detail, read issue 356 and the other issues listed. Thank you for participating in the Consumer Data Standards.